Hello, welcome to Paspas Hotel. I'm Kusumi Reyes, your butler during your stay.
Good morning, Tricia. That's good to hear.
How's your day, ma'am?
That's good.
I was asking you, ma'am, do you have any luggage?
Yes, I do have. It's all the baggage.
Okay, ma'am, I get your luggage. Ma'am, this is your luggage. I check your luggage first.
Yes, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, your luggage is no damage and no stains. Are you ready to go to the lobby, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please.
Let's go.
First level. Okay, ma'am. Please sit down first. Ma'am, can I borrow your ID to confirm your reservation? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you want any complimentary, curry, tea, or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Okay, ma'am, that's it. Okay, ma'am, this is your coffee. Thank you. Ma'am, wait for a while to confirm your reservation.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Ms. Martinez, this is ID of Ms. Barsada. To check your confirmation. Mrs. Barsada. Okay. Here's the ID and the key card. Okay, ma'am. Can you please come out? Excuse me, ma'am. Your reservation is confirmed. This is your key card and this is your ID.
Thank you.
Are you ready, ma'am, to go to your room?
Yes, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Let's go.
As we make our way to your room, ma'am, I would like to briefly introduce to you our hotel amenities. Our hotel infinity pool is open daily from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Perfect for morning swim and evening relaxation. And our spa is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Offering a massage and a wellness treatment. And on the first floor, you will find our award-winning restaurant, which operates from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And the breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, thank you po.
Never really know what's going on.
For safety and in case of emergency, our fire extinguisher is located in the elevator and the fire exit is at the end of the corridor on your left.
You'll arrive in your room, ma'am. May I please borrow your key card?
Here.
Room check. Room check. Room check.
3, 2, 1.
This way, ma'am. Have a seat. As you can see, ma'am, your room is facing the rose garden. There is a private balcony, so in the morning you can have fresh air.
Okay, thank you.
And for additional information, your room is voice automated, so you and your family can have a very convenient stay.
Okay, thank you. That's good.
Would you like me to unpack your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, please. Okay, ma'am.
Polo shirt. And one pants. And one polo. And one black towel.
Okay.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you.
Finish for fold 8, ma'am. Would you like to put it in your cabinet?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. I'm finished, ma'am. Can I leave now?
Yes, you may have that.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Butler service. Butler service. Butler service. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, you are scheduled to check out at 12 noon. Do you want to extend your stay?
No. I'm going to.
Ma'am, are you done packing your things? Not yet. Would you like me to pack it for you?
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Are you done packing your luggage now? Are you ready to go now?
Yes, thank you. Ma'am, may I ask how was your stay with us?
Yeah, that's great. All amenities is so nice. The service up is so approachable.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. We hope to welcome you back again. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.